Hi Stampers! Today I am going to show you how to make this box. This is out of the holiday catalog, and it's the Little Treats die. It's on page 70, and there is the die, and there is also a stamp set that goes with it. And then if you get these both, you save 10%. So on the bundle, it's a good deal. And another thing that I'm using on this box is the Plush Poinsettia specialty paper. And grab one here. Can you see it's like velvet? It is so cool, but it is vellum. You can see through it, but it is really cool. Okay, so I cut from the die. I cut a red back, and then I cut the plush. And I am using the Stampin' Seal Plus. The plus means it's for boxes and bags. Excuse me. For boxes and bags, and it will hold so much better. And if you're just making cards, you can just use a regular, but I've just grabbed that one so that I can just use it throughout. So, and I kind of folded where the score lines were, so I got that. I started to do this, and then my video shut down, so I got a few things started, but then I had to stop. Okay, so we're just lining that up there. Okay, and it has these little things here. I'm just gonna kind of get those. So they will, and I'm gonna just put a little piece right on the end of that little tag there. You're gonna love this new adhesive. It is so strong. And like I said, we have the Stampin' Seal Plus. That is for, oh, I don't want to get too close to the camera because then my head will be in the way. Oh, there, I had that little piece in there. The Stampin' Seal Plus is for your boxes and your bags, and it holds so good. Well, there we go. And because I've got double there, it just is a little bit harder just to push it through. Oh, let's see. I think it's catching on my vellum. I guess we'll try the other one. See, we have better luck with that one. You know, it always goes together good, and then when you're on camera doing it, it doesn't work. Yeah, see, that one went perfect, and then I just kind of okay, let's see this one. I can get this to go through here. Like I said, I think my vellum is catching on the top. I didn't have that taped down well enough, so note to self, put that on there a little bit more. Okay, so now where this works really good, I'm just going to go across there and two places so it's at the bottom. And so when I bring this up, just that. Look at how nice that holds. That holds awesome. Okay, then I have, out of the poinsettia dies, I cut two of them. And I'm just going to put a little piece right in the center. And I'm just going to bring up my petals a little bit. So it's not just so flat, it looks more like a flower. Okay, so we've got that. And my favorite, oh, oops, I grabbed the wrong thing. I'll have to grab my pearls. These are pretty cool too, but I don't know if that will work just right. Okay, so I love these pearls. They are so cool. Okay, so we're just going to put a glue dot on the back and put that right in the center there. Okay, so now we can just thread this, and this is the sheer red ribbon. Whoops. And just think of all the cute little treats. You could make these for anything. I mean, for birthdays, for holidays, just whatever. You know, sometimes those are the best things. Just to give a thinking of you. Hello. You know, you never know. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little piece up there so that when I press these together, see how great that holds? And like I said, just a forever. It's like, whatever, you know, thinking of you. Have a great day. You know, and you never know when somebody just needs a little bit of chocolate. Okay, and so we're just going to kind of pull them. Okay. Then we're going to take get my pad here. Okay, so this is kind of a neat punch, because this one you're going to see how it'll cut out like that way, and then the other one's kind of more of a like a point. So I'm just going to push that in there all the way, and you can kind of see in the back it's lined up, and punch. So I'm just going to take the Happy Holidays, and this is from the Poinsettia stamp set too, and stamp that on there. Whoops. Kinda looks like it rocked. I'll try it again. That's one good thing about having magic paper. There. And I'm just gonna kind of figure out how, so I want to cut some of that off. I'm going to put, did anybody see my videos before? It seems like I always have that little bit of, I've got a rhinestone on my pad there. Okay, so then I'm going to take, and I'm going to, and this again, this is just going to make it that it holds so much better. So we're going to put that there, like that. And then put our flower there. And look at, like I said, it holds really nice, because this Stampin' Seal Plus is great for your boxes and your bags. So hope you enjoyed my video, how to make your own little treat, and I would love to hear what you use, what you made out of this. And it's so neat because you can take and you can make this box longer, so you could do a lot of different fun things. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how you can alter this and change this up. Hopefully you loved my video and you got some ideas, and see you next time. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.